Welcome back to the next installment of Goofing Around with the Junk Oldsmobile. It's a 152. It's important. We need to go to 207 to 212. Get the rear end out in the sunshine. I've got her sprayed down with some degreaser gel. Let that sit for about 15-20 minutes. Hopefully the sun's not going to affect it too much. And we'll hose it off. I got a nasty old wore out brush over here is what we used on her. Not sponsored. Nasty old brush. But we're going to get her cleaned up. And we're going to drain the fluid out of the diff, and we're going to check the under the cover. I've got a new gasket coming. That'll be here tomorrow. But yeah, and then see about possibly, if we get that thing clean enough, scrubbed down enough, we can start throwing some paint on it. I've got a couple cans of chassis black and semi-gloss. Just hit it, get it looking halfway decent, throw it underneath the frame out at the brother's place. So, not quite sure when I'll do that, but maybe in the next few days. So, got 2 more shock absorbers coming because I goofed. I only ordered one of each, one front, one rear. Thought I ordered 2, but oops. So, yeah. Was online last night looking for parts for this car. I'm not going to say what I'm doing. I'm going to keep alluding to that, but not sure if that's going to go through yet. I need to focus on the other car first. So, alrighty, let me continue on with the junk that's out in the yard there, and we'll bring you back in a bit. Editing this video up and realized that I don't have a closer. So I think I was planning on probably doing a little bit more with it today, but that's 12:49 in the AM. So almost 1 AM. I'm still playing with videos. So we got her pretty well cleaned up. There's probably a few little spots of some grease left on her, but this is degreased, pressure washed, and wire wheeled. So, looking alright. Need to hit the outside edges a little bit more with the wire wheel, but there wasn't a whole lot of grease over there. So, a lot of bare steel on the diff, but not a lot of rot. Took a few whacks in a couple of spots there, but all in all, she looks to be pretty good. So, Good stuff. So I think tomorrow I'm going to tackle tearing the brakes down, because I'm not using these backing plates. I got bigger backing plates to put on this rear end. So I'll get those brakes torn apart and get them off of there. Get those parking brake cables removed. That'll help lighten the load a little bit, take 20-30 pounds off, if that. And then we're going to see about popping that diff cover off and drain the fluid and see what it looks like on the inside. Try to do a gear count too, to see if we can figure out the gear ratio on this thing. So, alrighty, thanks for tuning in. I know this is a real short one today, but it's not a very exciting video. So, working on the Cutlass. Well, not really this one. This one's being used for parts right now, but we'll get her going. I'll get the other one going here. This may go under the car in the next, under the other car. I'm going to say probably within the next week. So, gotta get it cleaned up, clean it up, ready to go. And, I don't know, diff cover black.